Red grape varieties, the sweet magic of nature. When the sun's rays fall on the ripening red grapes in the field, a breathtaking sight appears. Their bright red, dark crimson, or purple colors captivate people not only with their beauty, but also with their taste. Since ancient times, red grape varieties have been the most valued in winemaking, medicine, and pure consumption. Red grapes are grown in almost all countries of the world, and each variety has its own unique taste, aroma, and benefits. Let's get acquainted with the most famous and valued red grape varieties. Cabernet Sauvignon. One of the most famous red grape varieties in the world. Originating in Bordeaux, France, it is now grown on almost all continents. It is famous for its thick skin, dark fruit, and strong tannins. Wines made from this variety acquire a more perfect taste when stored for a long time. The aroma of Cabernet Sauvignon is reminiscent of black currant, black cherry, and even tobacco and cinnamon tones. Merlot. Merlot is the closest relative of Cabernet Sauvignon. The taste is softer with stronger fruity notes. In wines made from this grape, red cherry, strawberry, and cherry tones are noticeable. For those who are just starting out in wine, Merlot is the best choice as it has a very elegant and pleasant taste.